Well, yes, I must say, but quick one, my very good friend, Dominic K. de Graft Edu, Nyame Yaduma, on the 29th of March 2019, just got my invitation, book lunch, and I've been going through, interesting read anyway, Dominic, kudos. He's a chartered accountant and a disco boy. So on the 29th of March, at the British Council, Accra, Ghana, 5 p.m., come and experience, I keep telling you, something that you forever be grateful for being present. It's Musings from Afar, the collected articles by Dominic K. A. de Graft Edu. And there are some quotations in there that I want us to also just have a feel of what you intend if you read. Some quotes from the book, Musings from Afar, 5 days more. It says, Ghana missed the opportunity to seize the opportunity to lead as Dr. Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah did. Ghana should have led the AU to adopt a clause which barred those accused of crimes against humanity from contesting in any elections rather than ratifying an immunity clause, Article 46A of the Protocol to Immunity Clause, the Protocol to Amendments on ACHPR for AU leaders for heinous crimes committed against their people during their tenure of office. So, interesting read, Dami Aduma, Ebishia, British Council, 2095. PM na yakuti enya Dominic K. A. de Graft Edu, Musings from Afar. On that note, Mami welcome Director of Communications Officer for the NDC, Sami Jemfi. Ewan say Lawyer Sami Jemfi akwaba.
Come Jose.
No what is saying.
Onyame na from there aka yama penye na ba.
Okay, so my good friend, Honorable Benjamin Aye, former Member of Parliament and a communications person in the MPP, the current party in power. And they told us Ghana will work and almost 10 of office. So probably to say hello, but the first question is Ghana working as more promise here under more watch? Akwabazo.
Kenya. Edi kamichi awati for the
Obajosu.
I'm saying Nyame Aduma, Ghana is working again. Yeah, Ghana is working. It's working again.
Ghana just edumie. It stopped working.
And I no say baby am do my kusi ye so Nyame sa wo mti no. And good leadership. And so Batam and Ama Ghana is working again.
And yet kasa keke.
It is a sorry no bisa who say Ghana na working again. A dear now so between a year a diabwa o mine. So person good resource and I'm more now so between you two a diabwa o man.
And for only baby
rather than said they be also ya who expect to say President B and our bank one a baby be a ma o mine aye. Bisa wan kasa so
dear na we
dear na wan kasa so ye diabwa o man manatumpo. See to me that mental attitude, you position yourself in such positions. Ghana na me say work again. Pace no crab faster. So aban won the role play, citizens no see we role play. Obia wo rule I will say o play ma o man no can con a court in temtem. It is a human body, and people brain no say back home. So far, a gin one, it may affect the other person now. A bit my bassy be an apemi banner, and for some saki 2 years now. A chat. We're just one finger out of this whole body now. Instead of coming here, I may end up going to the hospital. The whole body now, no beard in saki 2 years in a hospital home, spending the whole time there. So, into party beer or rua a bit to me a play. For example, me sure say a bit TSU. say road can the GM caucus.
Okay, so you better see memo may sure so person so but you be come. You buy better come on so and see you come. Yes, I by the way, I say, we are the Excellence Boutique for us, Ultimate Remedial School, and I want to say the Red Korean Ginseng, and so about, yeah, that one I saw Kusuna Lucky About Clinic. One of us say Monday to Friday, yeah, for Pesimu, Jumedin, and bro. Oh, but you said in the can, one see nothing, me, you say is working, yen team before, and also say, I do breast, say, demonstrate what we are capable of doing. Jetting for Boni Mamo. Because most of them share a bit medicine. The most share in your papa, most share in the sonima. Then we are veering off.
Your mind man can say, yeah, portion blame say into me for can I say.
Ghana stopped working and now Ghana is working.
Yes.
San worker.
Yes.
A baby by Ghana is easy.
Oh yes.
And nay Ghana Juma.
Of course.
A Juma na Ghana, you know, say it is not just Munkwamo responsibility.
But Ubia
Embra on board.
seeing that mentality now, a beboa my pace, you know, I go faster.
Okay. But you think that why enough in Takaye?
Debbie. Ubia a can say. Amambu any event, a process. Into back out of it to make us a media buyer enough. Into a question most of them play role. So Ubia will day in, day out, also be a play.
Okay.
Na say Obia play that role no very well. And the my pace, you know, either faster. Yes, you hear leadership. After all, it says leadership is cause, everything else is effect. Yes, that is why credit no do do now so yedema omanpanyin any name penny for showing leadership. Inti ama omano esa ya adwuma yie no. Inti akaye nyina kakra pa se yede ho behyem yie. Mana montuo no akọ entemtem.
Yeah, Sammy.
Say opese bitisi mu so a.
Yeah, Sammy.
Kwama me da se, dedi kan ma me ma etiefo nyina achi anope. Na me mo one wa powerful abaso e wodwuma so a mudiboa oman Ghana mpuntuo. Kosan ya wabisa no. Kwama ya de ewu hia. Because brano o se e bon kompo hwechi ne hwe fa kwan yo ne hwe bebi o man ne ko ne hwe se ye koyanim ana ye koyachi ono abo kasa me hu se wo suti because menya sure studio ha ye we kra se ye to aba wo ye ho ni padodo e wo ha ne be ya adwen sampa o my Ghana ekonani no kwasem ne se Ghana mfie mienu ne boso me kakra ni a ye mampenye Akufo-Addo ne na MPP aban betena konwa so yi o de oman no a reverse G a o de akoyachi. This country has been on a trajectory of backwardness and retrogression for the past 2 years 3 months.
2 years 3 months,
of course.
Amamuwi
And it is so clear. Enyeme say enyeme jinsrepe kwamra edi enti na make sa. So we hu say oman bi ko nanim amamwo bi ko yi a ni nyina ne timamufuo botu nti enne ahwefo a ehwe ya no pei obi amisa na ho say mi botom tesen kwamra me ba ha no pei ya no patututu we anka nsuo ya sanso ato petrol mu from 5 cedis 18 pesos per liter to now 5 cedis 24 pesos. There's a petrol gallon, almost 24 Ghana cedis. Mo buy na ye 14 Ghana. When the Yemana musi eko yi no. When the Ghana is working again. Tiene ko taxi rank bi anako lorry station bi na ko catch driver for no Ghana is working again. Na hwe se wo be fa hu adia. Because petrol no muntimi nto. Omo ye adwuma wie kura masa wote adwuma wura sesi koma na onya bi kura ntu ni kotoko mu nkofie na ode akobo na yira akoma ene memma da ne mma wukuru mu a ena ma ho chiri nti trotro driver for osu omo mu twika kase esu obi esu. Ghana is working again. Pamna yen hwe yibutu ko ka kire importers wona akokwan so ko fa nyema say ye one now call francophone countries Togo, Mali, Omomudi Sefa Dibia. In 2016, 2 years, 3 months ago, no per 1 million Sefa, kita 6,000 Ghana cedis. No, se we 1 million Sefa. But then, or per 1 million Sefa na, I just say we 9,800. No, Kokacha is Ghana is working again. Ni pejuma gu, masa. Anya sem ketwa. The cedi na to baha. Yesi kasema say. Egu ni pejum ahye amanfo dwe kira ahye amanfo emfaso no wonya bibi papa bi nkama ne ntoya koma so say ye no musuo ntwe ope o say Ghana is working again. What is working in this country? Akache say be working again. Where import duty ni petua kamini import duty egu ni pejuma where taxes nko be bia kodu VAT akosro AGI na nsia no mu complaining makofa tax ayenti bi the luxury vehicle tax and the toilet car poetie for fancha me toilet car aban we say a luxury car ya Joe luxury tax. Come now, want to hear? Omoye demonstration musu no. Want to hear? Cost of living share and maybe you can say pound no boy do pound no brodo prior to me to do 38 Ghana. And then you see that maybe a cement boy do. Your financial sector is in a recession. Your financial sector grow negative, sir. Your financial sector banks no. And no need jina and now we jina brandia. And you may not bosia dear dujuma. No munume cost almost waiting ya Felipe Numa. Nedia Hotoaba. That has been growing negative for more than 2 years. Was the Ghana is working again? Come now, no question. The only thing working again is corruption. Kata as a dream can kind of project.
Corruption.
The only thing working in this country.
There's not one of our
working again. My main can example. Be borrowing the West. Nepotism, clanism. They said the Dr. KK Sapon ye bano denimas GMPC or ye omanpenia point MPP ni mapa or say abusuya mamu na ekoso ewo GMPC. That is what is happening. Now we, the ordinary people of this country, what we are going through, enya sem ketwa o. Enti enwu be hiya say aban no be nya tema no hu pempenso ayewo.
Ba
ene hebo she bibli aban ya wo she ebo say meba. Now within 18 months mabe magana ye de se heaven na do dan kwakufu ado gina simpi so ka kire say ye nto abama no 18 months enu 2 years so 18 months obe transform Ghana ye timi ya transform and then the one district one factory na Pascala factory say see what a BSc for 10 years 7 years and then you say one district one factory and the one village one down Pascala na what you tell me okobongo ensuo da bongo mpata mu be say friend na your pills there na nkra eda ho da fititi ya say suku nkoda bi kura to mu awuda na anwe atwa ho ahia nsu eta ho dada no wakose ye one village one dam na yetu abula ya say ye dam ye say betu a contractor for ka within 100 days and bisa contractor for say is Ghana working for them isi hu nko e wo say ye dem omokwa ye fa mom government is not paying them or businesses is shit.
I see.
As contractors.
I see. So
yes, you have 350 secondary schools within 18 months from scratch. 350 away. What Jebosia? Wait, abai we on there. Say yeah, me yakra and say, come abai we ye sikacha abai bia in the history of Ghana. All you see ko men abai bia nya bida. Bosi o ma je abai bia nji bida. So hu suku o musi. Hu water projects o moye. Hu akwan o moye. Abai ya wonsi hospital. Hwe in 2016, kwamna sikan kwa ya de yempuntu nyuma their friend the capital expenditure go and check was 7.5 billion Ghana cedis and ya de yempuntu nyuma say be ya Ghana fo benya hoto de open supano benya supano de opa yarehwe obenya supiti bia ko benya chip compound bia ko 7.5 billion 2016 na no ya 4.5% of GDP ye nuano mo opposition MPP for omo si esu adodo omo ba omo be pejam 2018 unim sika ye spending on capital expenditure mpuntu nyuma kwamna unim 4.5 billion and not translated into 1.8% of GDP. What do you have 7.5 billion of mpuntu nyuma and the other 4.5? You are telling us Ghana is working. So this country is in reverse gear. O mine say na ye be discuss accident asem na kwamna be hu so mine say
me won say be ma but me ba I'm sure say o twanfonyo so twanfonyo no. So clearly, this comparison, where is the Ghana factor?
So we make an accident.
Where is the Ghana factor? Tie in it is not about our defense of our political parties, because clearly, during the times of the NDC, we had experiences that are mind-boggling, they're terrible, they're so disappointing, they're horrifying, and we are having same experience. Even in these cases, sometimes extremely unacceptable, but ACC. So what's the Ghana factor? So in trying to get to this aspect, how do we continuously, as Timemufo, you best celebrate it is a festival in Kwenshia, and you wake up and you malaria and you AIDS and you cancer beam, road accidents on Ghana, Yakwanso, very, very much avoidable. Oh,
Omahi, say under JDM, now in your petrol free, you have cause to complain. Then no any free no, you have cause to complain. So my petrol boy
But that's the reality, Honorable. That's the reality. It is not about me Kwabena Santiana Minya ticket free and I say Honorable Aya Humbrasim now your ticket free to petrol. A bono is the factor.
Let me ask yourself a question. Since Oka said that's the factor. Are you telling me say between 2009 up to 2016
increases
there was no increase?
Increases what?
So what has changed?
What?
The normal increase in the cost one. Then why do you want to pretend as you said the first time our petrol price cost?
We are holding the politician because what has changed is the kind of promises and words that you gave to us.
Yes, we never told you.
An impression that Abembi or Waso had the mandate to reduce petrol board, and the yardstick was that when the MPP was in power, petrol board was in a buffer.
What was the price?
Where we have a challenge with politicians.
You see,
and in this case,
you are not being fair with yourself.
That is the case.
Especially as a journalist.
It's not about the journalistic work. It's about the realities along the line.
With yourself. Were you not in this country when the whole world market prices not follow? Will be expected to say prices also follow Ghana. Only in Ghana, the whole world and now world market prices are follow. Not prices are cost. Was that not the situation in this country? Tell me and your listeners. Was that not the situation? Yes. It is at that time. No reasonable mind be a catcher will say, prices all over the world follow. Be also tell it so. And then the young quantity, year 2 years, is that not reasonable?
Probably the deceptive language
is that not reasonable?
Oh, master. Because Ghana for say petrol bono from
debate you as an individual.
No, we will subject whatever politicians say here.
At that time, did you question
we did that?
Did you see the savings?
Did that. If you see the savings, the MPP that
did you see the savings? Yes, they never did any savings. They didn't do that. And these people have the gas to come and talk about petrol prices and you seem to be siding with them.
I don't seem to be siding with
either you or challenge them. We challenged them at that time. So we reduce the prices because now the whole world market price of petrol was coming down. And now prices was near to so only in Ghana. And I got the name boy back from so. So be the trainer at that time. Or catch there was say, there be only a month for the year. It is so. Was it not a call in the right direction?
It was a call in the right direction.
And besides, say, world market prices, cost rather say above. You see, that is what I'm saying. Empono, they born a cost rate of inflation or my to say. And you ma bo a be cost. Name more besides, say, under their watch, what was the rate and then your body cost? Is inflation coming down or not? Okay, Amambu, and you buga. Which you to try and mobile PBR. Fortunately for you now, you will miss the measure. To say, boy, no matter said the Kenya for ball, goes back on your share, TSC, your ball chair. And I understand it.
That's correct.
Sana by economy, so fortunately for us. And yet the other one no beba betina say obi baako fo bi hwe ni bottom baako obi hwe say nya no ne de measure o ye nyina ye wo agreed methods ye de measure enyama bo a e kosoro and that their watch what was the inflation rate in this country and today is it not a fact inflation bafom meaning say empo no say enyama bo e kosoro kra na rate e de kosoro no e slower than these people are going to look at this and make choices
rate they come from slower
than because inflation is lower at this time as we speak now than under their watch. Almost before country na inflation 18% you jump for almost 8 years ni na to be about 15%. 8 years 15%, and then within 2 years under the NADO, inflation about single digit, around 9%.
Okay, so maybe be pay on chile mo no message
oh man no ni me okay no I have to
Well, Asaba, hence our CEO, Encom Group of Companies. Then good morning, Anna Fe, Nana for him, and Franketia, CEO Classic FM. Also, good morning to you. So, and the debate said just do finish off, and then let's come to Encom shareholders. And Afi, you're to say,
yeah, Omani. Say in American. Under their watch, Omani yet the sumu 4 good years. Oh, say, can you call off just within 3 days, 4 days, when I'm for high agitated. Yeah. It tells you that Ghana is working again. Unlike that time, I now this woman a normal. Yet your main box side that worth trillions of dollars could be the Kochenemia. Keke. Documents now fraudulently signed within a week. So, Bitiano Bekan corruption was and then Ubian Kukru or my Japadian Fama Ubisa and get away with it. Talking about contractors into Yomuka. We in year when you much. We in year and then we know contractors be bills 2012, 2013, 2014, 4 good years. Umeduma Niska Dibitia. Health insurance, we have to come and clean their mess about 1.5 or so billion. A cano major tour, we have to come and pay. This ought your name. Now, baby, then she said it's a free secondary education ban. So Yanum know why and expenses be our year today no. Kabe in case expenses nya we are wasa kutia oba fees. It will be a so oba fees ma omo a. Says can I day a savings to you. And we're talking about thousands of cedis. So Banboko school 3 years are thousands of cedis. It becomes savings at the mount. One district, one factory. Egusu Koso. And yet Domukusi commander never yet just a white elephant nibiao. Papa ne koso. Na yana mi diom ho yaw when they think say a business is in distress. Now bank koso na sene sign ejina
and come on share.
And can share. Meanwhile, it means that they did not even understand the one district, one factory in the concept. It's not just about the constructing new. After all, what is the point? Say old one no hono. Oh, no good. Next day, also we have for minus 1 plus 1.
Okay, a brain intelligence, you come as sequential how do you see what going you Obia will fresh page start point now.
No, say on the start say na me be.
No, Obia
on our start.
Debi say factual. Kwamna start say we yes.
But I'm Obia nya chefa. That was uncommon.
No. Yeah, but on our chair.
I don't have a problem so be call accident so because me per say a car accident I said.
But still
put it on record say on the casa first and I'm a bam. And I want casa all the bank.
No problem.
Uchia the first or cast or minor and
Michiao but one casa.
Or casa one casa. Or mine Yamia and Diana day. And quietly. I can't. So you get as you are it's gonna work a question.
So in this case, I'm join what was joined, then continue your discussion on the accidents, then honorable will come back on that matter.
Matiminia, Kwama Medasi Bebre. Honorable Laman, why am I one kakra? You see, petrol, Asama Yakin, Kwama, and NDC and PPC. So we call Shell filling station and none of our to petrol more. MPP Nini born and DC Nini born. I'd rather for now, Modo Mujamo Munims in the issue of fan. They don't care about NDC and PP. It is an honorable asem or kind in no credit. Say NDC any moral right to talk about petrol. The question I be as a driver in this way, also any moral right. Say okase or brana.
But they're
Ghanaians and so many moral right.
But they're explaining because petrol
is it a fact or not?
But petrol is so bad.
Is it a fact or not? Say petrol boy from 14 Ghana cedis per gallon to 24 Ghana cedis per gallon.
Nobody challenges that.
That is a fact.
Nobody challenges that.
Is it a fact or not? So almost chef driver for ball. And my driver for be TT code drivers for change. The Nanado posters will bo car with the hope we say buying back about the petrol boss or more. And then the petrol ball acostro aqua do 24 Ghana cedis or not. It is a fact. Let's even examine as I'm a worker. Say NDC address so petrol walk or so. He said and the next year they would say a cost room be brilliant. I need to know complaining normal. And you're normal. President Kufuor corner petrol gallon na 5 Ghana cedis. You to buy a call run of not about 4 cedis 50 pesos. Come now okay. It is a fact. Ye free Akonnwa so call in 8 years na petrol boy saying just around 14 Ghana cedis. Ye nyam konta simple
16.
Udi e fa 16. Me boa simple mathematics ma do 16 na to 4.5 to 16 is saying. Just about 11 cedis 50 pesos. And in 8 years ye the two. Me boa ka say me boa. O de uni mathematics. And na obi abetena Akonnwa so onya mfie nyansa akra just 2 years. Or the free 16 now okay to 24 and say 8 cedis. Now will be the 8 years at the 11 cedis but 2 years. Now will the 2 years 3 months at the 8 cedis that was I won't ferry. We say a normal. Who sounds so crash driver for 1 year? A normal. Say do 24 Ghana cedis a normal. And you contemplate which say NDC abraso petrol bar from one petrol bar from na ante so and until no more kasa. You see Ghana. Not only do we bring don't
run away from the fact no, it's not deception because President John Dramani Mahama said that there's wisdom in protecting and save for future occurrences unknown. Now, Mabusa the question says, "Omba says can na musevu yet to obrana a drama so the bona ba form no says can ewa
and na mebisa nti nyanto wase na menchechiru mu enye sike bia na save to ho Ghana ye you too fan woni bi de kwa mansa dwa so koto e de pesika de be ye mpuntu nyuma you too fan wo ye oye wa anameboa
correct
sa mansa dwa so bo no kofom a sika ye nya no wo ye oye na ye de kwa mansa dwa so koto no esote enti se bia afibi ye projecting say ye benya $2 billion example from oil proceeds na edibia ya kwan edibia we na amansa dwa no kofoma ebe affect no ni etoye in 2015 and 2016 because bono kofom wan ti sika wo say yenya from oil la export yenya na aban ye say yemfa to obi mra ye fe no special petroleum tax na de ye kofa ba oma we mu beton ma ye ho no yemfa nto so na sika ne yejeje a because the revenue are expected from oil laba from until ye de no asoso de ayempuntu nyuma enti to ne ye de to so no na e won sunset clause say within 2 years ye be ye free wo because ye born na e ba from na ye projected revenue from oil ye to Ghana de kwa ma no ne no e ko from no e don't ye de special petroleum tax no e ba MPP for wo position no mo positions amre no omo ka kire say a nuisance tax eso ni fa so ye nwura na woni Ghana omo betwem ene bi so omo say special petroleum tax omo twem na omo ntwem omo aye na flat rate 13% you are paying it but they called it nuisance tax omo say eso ni fa so NDC na tie Akonnwa so aka special petroleum tax ke ye twem because emra ye de to so no twem and conditions na na wo higher this special petroleum tax by in any hobby because bono e kosoro we are earning more from our export unim say na Ghana ye net exporter of oil John Dramani Mahama da Roma tikese da so da ye penti na oil no di bia beka ho sika omunya from oil ye moho miensa as compared to the na ye nya. So what is your justification for still maintaining special petroleum tax on fuel? What they are not on China kwamna the ama petrol boy day is because of the mismanagement of the economy. See the India because fan wona ye ton or ye krom adi gu ye kam no. Ye the dollar na gede e ko kraba. Ti see the na say ama dollar ne kosoro no kan obi na de bia petrol ko. You are not talking about that. Then kwamna was inflation. You see nyame anim no kreni. Sa wo pe ni se nyatwom wo ye onipa da sania. enko obeye MPP uko ye MPP ni straight MPP for ye nyatwemu ene de honorable maye hu de enti aga na ekọ nanim o say inflation ba form since when MPP believe in inflation emere ni ha ka making kind stories bi atro mo opposition mo say inflation enya nam ye nwe ene de inflation e tofi Dr. Bawumia o say ye as of 2011 12 na inflation about single digit for more than 2 years. MPP for say translate. Dr. Bawumia say ko malata market. Enye ma boa ye den che inflation no. Nti enye correct. Na woni krom ha. Ene de wo inflation we agwanyen. Wo nyanya say single digit inflation for 2 years. Na no translate malata market. Wo inflation ya wonya e boso me say no na translate. So stop the hypocrisy. It is not about inflation. Talk to importers. Talk to omo ye bread. Talk to omo to cement. Talk to omo ko kwanso ko fanyema. Omadwuma egu. People are losing jobs. Those are the key issues that was addressing. Then he talks about doom so. Google this headlines is here na who say MPP for Kanokre. Or say Kwamra o mame fancy preko na.
Yes, so.
Yeah, Kwamra mame fancy.
Enyamia enti we wadaroma ye kwaba. Well, we are back. Quick one from Nana Abrefu to the families of the late Mrs. Philomena Osei-Sapong, to the friend Abaya Nasanti Philo. 70 years. Jameya Duma Memendawi. 30th of March. A year. Methodist Church. Reverend Gideon Aqua. Methodist Church. Hona one Bakwakoye. Ufusum no mother. Namias was Abia Honman. Memendawi. Yankuja. The late Mrs. Philomena Osei-Sapong. Yankuja ma ne na dofo na busuafo na yankopeno eye ne krabia and we are back.
Okay.
So Sami for one so nembra in conscience quickly.
So open say me president. Give me about 5 minutes.
Yeah, about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, quite my medase. Then I me person me put you on record. They say as at the time NDC free konwa so ne ni dum so wo Ghana. And it is because John Dramani Mahama aban na ya aban papa. Enya na ne penso ena na mre di kan ya experience dum so president Kofo Adreso bi see PNDC Adreso bi see ba na treat symptoms na treat problem no o free akonwa so no wa solve generational problem e kai what sector no the S-laba a solve problem no I solve all the problems and then my Dr. Bawumi Abajo FM no ka say Mahama deserves no credit for solving dum so manjo online your story no e wo Ghana web Google abi ho say na nya ye ne solve dum so and then more benefited from it then Dr. Bawumi Aga say we deserve no credit. That is a fact. Mona mode ye call back because of your mismanagement of Islam obeto ye any other things, but we will not get time to go into that. Then number 2, your mama we are Ghana bauxite man nwe bia. Sa bauxite deposit na wo nyina hini na oka 17 no President Kofo dem Aluminium Company of America ACOA. President Mills dem Aluminium Company of Canada ACAN. Yeah, by 2013, yeah, the Russian mining company from Vimetco. So, munye, na so mramfa so mani pe wunyi na hini asante mantem ne Ghana. Na nyumamra. Abrofun point ni anye. It is a Ghanaian company. It me go through all the process in a matter of 2-3 years. Acquire more license nyina. No mo so mo be ye adwuma na maso aba mfa so aba no nya kro no. Any business that will follow due process. Wo ho asem kan. Na munyai din say ye na omo ma take over the oil sector na nado dan Kwaku Fuado nua Edward Kufuado aka Bomti Gabi Ochere da akomo na control nyama wo krom. How do you talk to that? Mo na mo di position say wo krom anyina ma munua mo nanado ne ba ma me kro wa ma di post ne ba wa ma di post o man panyi be na Ghana abakosi mu ayesa. So don't talk about patronage and clanism. No, then national health insurance. Oh, I'm 5 minutes. So me boss will tell. So say Mampenyi. Maza. Kobisa Dr. KK Sapon. Say why him for na man nye adwuma GMP sa watchre one letter. Kobisa. Clanism na no kan was. Or no say clanism na because the worst form of nepotism. Why? Because Bomti no control be only Freddie Blade. Gabi Ochere da me say go and check now you know these things. Let me move on.
No refer to Kratane there, please.
So let's move on.
So
your more clanism.
So
I am telling you no problem. Okay. But I am telling you that is what is going on in the sector. Yes. Ask those in the sector. Come now ABM health insurance also ma betoka we 20 man to nyom frɛ. Aban be na metoka. ye ba akonya so 2009 muna mo jaka over 500 million ye betua e aban bi e ko jaka ne japade ye jaka wo health insurance ye jama japade bebre health insurance offices abanso bebrebe na muhu in the regions no one see ye mufra akonya so akọ in 2001 sa na health insurance ye so no then number 2 car mo beto ye na motua but se see am na mo ka mo broker more than 1 year mu ntua health insurance ka no kwa ma diverted the ye nyama mo say priority projects na say ye eni bo so me kra health insurance service providers about bontin say ye to national health insurance levy mo mo kwa na 1% na ya ntumu a health insurance na be den ebegu say ye yi a ade ntu no mo print mu no mo ka che say ya ntumu ebegu then quarter one district one factory mu nye you honorable one district one factory man can share say a stimulus package. A stimulus package ya Kenya mo yonko ne because here my pharmaceutical industry 51 million Ghana. Book printers here mo 20 million Ghana. Ya support to local business komisa kina farm and NS chemist.
Okay.
Ya yes anya mani nyina. What you promise and say this street bia ye besi factory e bi wen mo ye ho chart kra we benya bro we benya we e wen fa. Wrap up. Then on accidents, I got 3 minutes. No,
it was
5.
It was 7:58.
Oh, I got
yeah, my mouse.
1 minute.
Honorable class.
I got 3.
Yes, no. Ideally, I got 1 minute. Yes, 7:58. Yes,
the time.
I know. I wish we had time to discuss this issue, but because of time, it's possible about accidents. Why am I 2-3 minutes?
Pacho, one is.
Say na accident is ku nipa no me nua ya awro say me hu pictures ni bi na me sugu me e wo say e pa no pu mesibre 2018 16th April aban and the action plan bi betu dwa say we twa sika 6.5 million or they come boa education road safety for 335 million or they ba be kwan so painting mark signages ni de keka come na kwesi say ye misa aban de ye me ya ne say nipa ewu Ghana de hye ye hwere omo irreplaceable lives, precious lives. Aban we ni timama Ghana fo ntu no mo to dokono party KK party. Nyem pipi aban akwamna na minim se de champagne di dokono. Nipe wu wade share over 80 ahwere obonkwa. O man penyi o wotema bi akobe cancel activities. Wako site wako hospital wako akohwe omo. MPP for so mo ntese dogo bi nu abe. No ma me o man penyi ni ma me nuaba kenufori ato ye o man photo sample so wako bobosi anya bi. Bosia omo se na bosia bonye akwadwofo na bobosia omo move Ghana omo build Ghana beyond aid and then the omo the KK party na celebrity bosia bo at the time ya de hie hu through road accidents me de me nka ma ne nwa enough of the talk ye pese hu action education road safety for se sika na mind ya mo one part there we need to see more from them. Enforcement of our road safety laws. A police for MTT for and then finally, yenya kwan sika bebrebe aben yi selling through catastrophe dream ni project. Sika bebrebe o maka so mu betwa kwa ye hu di akosi no. Aban na nya sa anya. Aban wo bobosia onye kwan. So still or to dokono party ni champagne. Celebrity bosia bo.
But for the records, nobody makes political capital out of any situation. My check at the finance ministry indicates that and Mgwasia over the years as a country, Bibiada, Yakoji, Yako, a drama so copesica, na a modern bonus suenia. The ministry, that is the means and how they celebrate it over there. So over time, all these political parties, hold on, please hold on. You have finished saying, hold on, I'm saying it again. I'm saying it again. That has been the practice. No. Watching it, hold on, please. What can they hold on? They say watch it and the docuno.
And this
hold on. Yes, it is nobody. If you perceive a sipo, that's our problem. You perceive a sipo, so sad they are now celebrating. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Demonstrating the other aspect of it is not necessary. You remember that discussion,
especially for Abanya or Casabosia Bonya na Quadrophone and Bobusia and Ghana Sikawa. How about I don't know what party said may celebrity Busia.
Yeah, if we yes, okay, so that one we can discuss that one. Honorable, yeah.
Hey, Kwamna no da be na hu say e watching the document.
Oh, sorry.
When you say one balance scale on because we NDC need
the facts no crash and they don't want to believe.
No, we will say it as it is not to suit any.
No, so yeah, even ya che. Say ya document party.
Even in the face of the facts.
Who say ya we che party da?
Masa, time na no.
Especially when sorry.
Okay. And you may be your home. Sebi. Ghana for a madrim bow. There are matured brains out there. It is an accident to see. Now, if it's all the Baba Bay politics or Hama. Lady Candy and Mabushina for Yako. Nobody. And it should be out. Say a man for a shame or Macran. The way accident you see here. Now, Baba Tanada politics say because a department be any department be program so about be she and team. Obey cheap politics with things. Look at that. Look. Upper Denture, I said the other time I may be cry for my say, and Ashanti region, a sheer so baby. Galamsey for I should book foul Mammas, Nipa 123. Your president, nobody from NDC. And see Krum home. Now, one see Krum home.
Upper Denture, 123.
Ashanti, any Ashanti, yes. It's very side, baby, but it's a good one. You're of Finnish side, internet, or Ashanti region. 123. People didn't care. Nobody stepped there. Obetanabe as a cheap politics, yeah, if we say. But look, petrol, back to the petrol issue. Also, Omuba say. Also, by say. 4 CDs, and I'm going to say 16 CDs. That is over
14. But I'm figure.
16, or no, 14 to 16.
Yes, 16. Yeah. That was over 400% increase. 400% increase.
From 4 cities, 50 pesos to
about 16 something. It's about 400%. 4 to 4, 16 years. 4 times 4 is. Oh, please.
In 8 years.
Oh, Master, how can from 4 to 16 was about 400% increase. TBF 16 to 20. Yes, sir. Yes, we are a Ukraine 100% increase. Grand Cabana and I'm 32. And that and Chim says more and I'm more ben moi. Cabana. That is the comparison now. I'm for Baye. Not the nominal increase. That nominal increase in there from day one. Ghana, they be a petrol bono, a costro. But and answer for all are there no. But compare rate now at the increase. If under more time, price need to echo about 400%. No, be buying and call by even 50% increase. How do you sit here and think, say, I'm for exact to say, now, any born cost more than more time? It doesn't work that way, especially at the time when time no crowd not petrol price, no international market price, no buffer. At the time, I'm not a buffer.
Accident.
So, again, he talks about the CD. And then the ferry. Move first CD 1, CD 12 pesos. More than 448 or 4.4 something. Again, another depreciation of the currency by about 400% depreciation. Thereabout. And there be no say. First CD turbulence can create face. I say so do have to play that. Unya good pilot. Bokwa ne du baby I can say oh turbulence can create okwamuti no. Now wa so your friends say seatbelt signals no announce what chiremo. So be am body bird because turbulence can create back him. After turbulence, he does not crash the plane. Okay. Or the move from no the Marco land safely. Okay. Adam watch move for CD 1, CD 12 pesos no. Mo kona mo dey do 4 CDs.
Okay, we be here.
48. Yeah, by 2 years. CD no. From 4 CDs 48 no.
I just
CD is below 5 years.
Is it not a fact? I buy with the 13 months.
Is it not a fact?
On to 6 months.
That's the last time I health insurance providers, service providers no.
13 months.
Almost service. Under their watch.
Petrol.